All right, so today we're diving deep into something pretty incredible, the digital economy and how AI can be used to build serious wealth. We're talking a projected $20 trillion market by 2030. I mean, that's massive. And we've got some pretty cool sources that we're going to be looking at today that talk about owning digital assets like NFTs, virtual real estate, even setting up these automated income streams through YouTube,
Yeah.
using AI tools to kind of amplify all of that. So, are you ready to jump into this?
Absolutely. This is such a dynamic space. What's fascinating to me is that we're seeing this shift in how value is created and stored. It's not just about physical goods in traditional markets anymore. We're moving into a world where value is increasingly being created in these digital assets, cryptocurrency, NFTs, even virtual land.
Okay, I have to admit, the idea of owning virtual real estate, it's still a bit mind-boggling. Can you kind of break that down? Like, why is this shift to digital assets such a big deal? Not just for, like, tech people, but for everyone.
Yeah, for sure. Think of it this way. The internet opened up all these possibilities. And those who kind of got in early on that growth were able to capitalize on it, right? The
Mhm.
digital economy is similar. It's still in those early stages. And that means there's huge potential for those who are willing to learn and adapt.
So it's not just about understanding the technology itself, but it's about understanding the bigger picture, right? And how this shift is creating all these opportunities.
Exactly. And what's even more exciting is the role that AI is playing in all of this. I mean, AI is becoming more than just a tool. It's like a wealth building partner. It's creating entirely new ways to earn and manage money.
Now that is a game changer. So give us some specific examples. How is AI being used to build wealth right now, today?
Yeah, so one area where we're seeing AI make a huge impact is in investing. Robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment, they use AI to manage these investment portfolios, analyze all the market data, adjusting your investments, minimizing risks. It's like having a personal financial expert working for you 24/7.
That's pretty cool. And it's not just for, the super wealthy anymore. I know that the robo-advisory market is expected to reach something like $1.4 trillion by 2025.
That's right. These platforms are making these sophisticated investment strategies accessible to everyone.
That's incredible. Now, I'm also curious about how AI is changing the game when it comes to generating passive income. You hear a lot about it these days, but is it really possible to like earn money while you sleep?
It definitely is becoming more achievable. With AI, you've got platforms like Jasper and ChatGPT revolutionizing content creation. You can use these to write blog posts, marketing copies, scripts for videos, all with just a few prompts. And the quality is surprisingly good too. It's not just about piecing together these clunky sentences. AI can actually produce human quality content, engaging and informative.
So you're saying that even if you're not a writer or a tech
Yeah.
expert, you can use these tools to create content that can potentially generate income.
Absolutely. It's lowering the barrier to entry.
Hmm.
For anyone who wants to build an online presence and start earning money.
And it goes beyond writing too, right? There are tools that can even create videos for you.
Exactly. Platforms like Synthesia can create videos using these lifelike avatars. So you can produce this high-quality video content without ever having to be on camera, which is a game changer for people who aren't really comfortable being in the spotlight.
It's amazing how AI is making it possible for anyone to become a content creator, regardless of their skills or experience. But let's talk about another buzzword that's been making headlines: digital assets. Are these just like trendy terms, or do they represent real ownership in this new digital economy?
Digital assets are much more than just buzzwords. They represent real ownership in this evolving digital landscape. And it's not just about cryptocurrency, although that's certainly a big part of it.
Right. When most people hear digital assets, they immediately think of like Bitcoin. But there's a whole world of other digital assets out there.
There is. And each one has its own unique characteristics and potential for growth. Cryptocurrency, with its potential for high returns. And yes, its volatility, it's a major player, but the world of digital assets is incredibly diverse.
So beyond cryptocurrency, what other types of digital assets should we be paying attention to?
NFTs are a fascinating example. We're moving beyond the initial hype of digital art and seeing NFTs being used for all sorts of purposes, from collectibles like NBA Top Shot to virtual identities. It's pretty mind-blowing to think you could own a unique piece of digital memorabilia or even a digital representation of yourself existing on the blockchain.
Okay, now you're really blowing my mind. And then there's virtual real estate. I'll be honest, it still sounds a bit out there to me. But the market for virtual land and platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox is booming. People are spending serious money, hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars on plots of virtual land. So what's driving that? And is it a smart move?
It's all about potential and scarcity. Just like in the physical world, virtual land is limited. And as more people join these online platforms, the value of that land is likely to increase. We're seeing brands buy these virtual spaces to set up storefronts, individuals building virtual homes and communities. Investors are betting on the future of these metaverse platforms.
So is it kind of like a digital gold rush where people are staking their claims in this new virtual frontier?
You could say that it's a high-risk, high-reward landscape for sure. But the fact remains that these digital assets are gaining real-world value. Even a small investment today could potentially yield significant returns in the future.
Okay, I'm starting to see how all of this ties together. We've got the shift to a digital economy where value is being created and stored in these digital assets. And then AI is playing this key role in making it all possible. From managing investments to creating content, even automating entire businesses. It's a lot to process.
It is. But the key takeaway here is that building wealth in the digital economy is about diversifying your income streams and leveraging the power of AI. It's about being open to these new possibilities and embracing the tools that can amplify your earning potential.
Speaking of embracing new possibilities, let's talk about a platform that's already a household name, YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it's a content creation powerhouse with massive income potential. And the best part is you don't even have to be a traditional YouTuber to cash in.
Right, YouTube automation is changing the game. It's essentially a business model where you leverage AI tools to create and manage your content, generating passive income without needing to be on camera. Think of it as building a digital media empire from behind the scenes.
Okay, that sounds amazing. But how does this automation magic actually work?
It's all about harnessing the power of AI at every stage of the process. You can use tools like Jasper or ChatGPT, which we talked about earlier, to write scripts for your videos. Then you can use AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs to create natural-sounding narration without ever having to record your own voice. And when it comes to editing, forget about spending hours hunched over complicated software. Platforms like Canva and Lumen 5 make video editing a breeze, allowing you to create professional-looking content with minimal effort.
Wow, so you're saying that AI can basically handle all the technical aspects of creating a YouTube video?
Exactly. And once your video is ready, you can use tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to optimize your channel for search, making sure your content reaches the right audience and climbs those YouTube rankings. It's like having a whole team of digital marketing experts working behind the scenes for you.
So what about the earning potential? Is it really possible to make a significant income from this YouTube automation?
Absolutely. YouTube paid out over $15 billion to creators in 2022 alone. And if you focus on a niche with a high CPM, that's cost per 1,000 views. You can see significant returns. We're talking like $10 to $20 per 1,000 views and sometimes even more.
So if you build multiple automated channels or focus on a particularly lucrative niche like finance, technology, health, you could potentially earn a six-figure income passively.
It's definitely possible. It's a testament to the power of AI and the accessibility of the digital economy. You don't need a fancy studio or a huge team to succeed on YouTube anymore. With the right tools and strategies, anyone can build a profitable channel and generate passive income.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground already, from the shift to a digital economy and the rise of digital assets, to the game-changing potential of AI in wealth building, and the passive income possibilities of YouTube automation. It's a lot to take in.
It is. But the important thing to remember is that building wealth in the digital economy is all about diversifying your income streams and leveraging the power of AI. It's about being open to new possibilities and embracing the tools that can amplify your earning potential.
And I understand there's a roadmap to help us navigate this exciting new frontier. I read about a four-step plan that outlines how to put all these pieces together and start building wealth in the digital economy. Can you walk us through it?
Of course. This roadmap provides a clear and actionable framework for anyone looking to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. So the first step is to explore the world of digital assets. You don't need to go all in right away. Just start small, explore different options, and see what feels right for you.
So like dipping your toes in the water before diving in head first.
Exactly. It's about building a foundation for sustainable wealth, not chasing quick wins. Diversify your investments across different asset classes, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, even virtual real estate. You can even use AI-powered trading bots to assist with your crypto investments. And when it comes to NFTs, focus on artists or digital brands with a proven track record and a strong community following.
So it sounds like a bit of research and due diligence goes a long way.
Absolutely. It's crucial to understand the risks involved
Yeah.
and make informed decisions, but the potential rewards are significant, especially if you're early to the game.
Okay, I'm ready to start exploring. What's the next step on our roadmap to digital wealth?
Step 2 is to establish multiple streams of passive income. And you guessed it, AI can help. Think about setting up an online store using a platform like Shopify. You can leverage the dropshipping model, where you sell products without holding any inventory, or explore print-on-demand services, creating custom merchandise to sell. And guess what? AI can help you automate almost every aspect of these businesses, from inventory management and order fulfillment to customer service and marketing.
So even if I don't consider myself a tech whiz or a business guru, I can still create like a thriving online business.
That's the power of AI. It's leveling the playing field, empowering anyone with an internet connection to become an entrepreneur. You could even create a blog or build a strong social media presence, generating income through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or even ad revenue.
And with those AI content creation tools like Jasper and ChatGPT we talked about earlier, creating that high quality content to attract an audience is easier than ever.
That's right. AI is making it easier than ever to break into the digital marketplace and start building wealth.
Okay, step 1 is digital assets. Step 2 is passive income streams. What's step number 3 on our wealth building journey?
Step 3 brings us back to YouTube. We're going to build and automate your very own YouTube channel. Remember, it's about building a digital media empire from behind the scenes. The key is to choose a niche that aligns with your interests. Do you love tech? Are you a personal finance guru? Do you have a passion for health and wellness? Find your niche and let your passion shine through.
So find your passion, find your audience, and let the AI do the heavy lifting when it comes to content creation.
Exactly. Let AI do what it does best. Use those tools we talked about earlier, Jasper, ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Canva, Lumen 5, to create engaging and informative videos without ever needing to step in front of a camera. Optimize your content for search using tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, and then let the YouTube algorithm work its magic to bring viewers to your channel.
And once I've got a successful automated channel up and running, is there anything stopping me from creating more?
Not at all. The beauty of this model is its scalability. With the right strategy and consistent effort, you can build a network of automated YouTube channels, each generating passive income, while you focus on other ventures or just enjoy life.
That sounds like the dream. All right, so we've invested in digital assets, we've built passive income streams, and we've established a presence on YouTube. What's the final step on our digital wealth building roadmap?
Step 4 is about reinvesting your profits to accelerate your growth as your digital assets appreciate in value and those passive income streams start flowing. Don't just sit back and relax. Reinvest those earnings wisely to amplify your wealth building efforts.
So it's like a snowball effect. The more you invest, the more you earn.
And the faster your wealth grows.
Exactly. Upgrade your AI tools to unlock more advanced features. Expand your digital asset portfolio. Hire virtual assistants to help manage your growing online empire. The possibilities are endless. Wow, it's inspiring to think that with the right mindset, the right tools, and a solid plan, anyone can tap into the potential of the digital economy and build a future filled with financial freedom.
The digital economy is a game changer, and those who embrace it and leverage the power of AI are positioning themselves for success in this rapidly evolving landscape.
So we've laid out a comprehensive roadmap for building wealth in the digital economy. But what's the one thing you want listeners to take away from all of this? What's the most important piece of advice you could offer?
The most important thing is to take action. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis or let fear hold you back. Start small, learn as you go, and be consistent in your efforts. Remember, even the smallest steps can lead to significant gains.
So it's about taking that first step and experiencing the power of the digital economy firsthand.
Exactly. The digital economy is vast and dynamic,
Yep.
and the opportunities are endless. Approach it with a growth mindset, be willing to learn and adapt, and embrace the tools and strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals.
It feels like we're standing at the edge of something truly revolutionary.
Yeah, it's true. And the most exciting part is this new era. It's open to everyone, not just like the tech giants or the Wall Street elites. With the right knowledge and a willingness to learn, anyone can participate in this and potentially change their financial future.
That's what I find so inspiring, this shift of power. into the hands of individuals. We have access to information, tools, and opportunities that weren't even imaginable just a few years ago.
Absolutely. It's a true democratization of wealth building. And AI is playing a key role. It's not just automating tasks. It's about empowering individuals to create, innovate, and build wealth on their own terms.
So, as we wrap up this deep dive, what's the one message you want to leave with our listeners, the call to action, if you will?
Don't wait. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. There's no better time to start than now. Take that first step, even if it's just like spending an hour researching a new digital asset or, exploring an AI-powered tool.
So, taking ownership of your financial future and embracing these possibilities.
Exactly. The digital economy is evolving so rapidly. And those who are willing to learn, adapt, and take action, those are the ones who will see the biggest rewards.
To our listeners out there, we challenge you to dive in headfirst, explore this world, discover the incredible potential waiting in the digital economy. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing those boundaries of what's possible.